Assalamualaikum geng, bersama aku lagi Zafri dalam channel Wibro. Hari ni kita nak baca One Piece chapter 1180. Wow. Berbeza dengan chapter lepas, chapter kali ni aku langsung tak kena spoil sebab aku busy gila minggu ni. Dan aku agak berhati-hati lah sebenarnya. Group pun aku mute. Aku scroll social media pun macam slow-slow sikit. Tapi Alhamdulillah langsung tak kena spoil. Sebenarnya this should be an iconic chapter lah. Okay, aku harap kita akan nampak benda yang best dalam chapter ni. Aku harap kita nampak Imu tunjukkan power dia, aura dia. Kalau tak dapat tu rasa macam rugilah. Chapter 1180 bertajuk Omen. Okay, I don't know what that is, tapi akan ada explanation kat tepi ni. Read as Omen, but the kanji parallels Haki and could also be read as Maki, demonic aura. Haki, a different kind of Haki, demonic Haki, Omen. Aku rasa perkataan Omen ni akan ada dalam chapter ni. Aku rasa Imu akan cakap ini adalah Omen, power aku. I don't know, something like that. Cover request. Okay, Vegapunk giving Zeus ability to rent candy. Okay, cover request tak penting. How love do you have to pull off a live concert like that? Arashi's final tour was insane. Aku ingatkan Oda cakap pasal konsert Justin Bieber tadi kan. Kita terus start guys, and kita terus nampak Imu. Muka dia macam pelik sikit tu. Muka dia macam tak terlalu ganas. Maksud aku, muka dia macam ada feminine sikit tau. Badan dia memang sador. Badan dia macam, baju dia macam ada polka dot macam tu. Kita nampak kalau Gear 5 kita nampak macam Drums of Liberation. Yang ini pun ada lagu kat guys. Dan kita nampak hitam kat sekeliling. The king of the world has come to Elbaf. Who is? Dia laju guys. Daripada atas dia terus sap. The king of this country. Who is? Dia tanya. Ibu tanya, who is the king of this country? And then Dory dengan Brogy kata, who the heck are you? This country doesn't have a king. And then Imu pegang Great One. Okay, so dah boleh nampak lah Imu bom besar. Lepas tu dah chat terlepas orang dah bincangkan lah, saiz Imu ni besar giant juga. Ke tak besar? Bukanlah. Tak sebesar giant. So yang pegang ni bukan tangan Imu tadi. Aku ingatkan Imu dah terus ambil tau. So tangan perempuan giant ni. What are you doing, Summers? Perempuan ni macam kena kontrol, kena kawal. Gert. Ya, nama dia Gert. Zoro muka risau. Okay, Imu tak sebesar giant guys. Imu besar daripada manusia biasa, tapi tak sebesar giant. Imu tak besar macam giant tu. Sebab kalau ikut orang bincang, Imu besar giant, tapi tak. Imu tak besar macam giant. Her fingers, that maggot. Tangan dia hancur guys. Tangan Gert ni terpotong guys. Bila dia potong? Laju. That's awful. What is he? Zoro man. Zoro always the first one lah. Walaupun dia selalu sesat, tapi in terms of battle, in terms of action, Zoro tanya, are you another one of those knights? Whoever he is, he's an enemy. Dia nampak arrow daripada Imu. Hyruddin, don't! We don't know what's up with this guy. Hyruddin nak serang, tapi giant lain halang. Stanson, Okay, dia potong kaki dengan sangat-sangat cepat. Kaki giant tau. Wah, Stanson. Get away from him. Forgive me, Stanson. Who is he? King of Hell, Three-Sword Style, Purgatory, Onigiri. Okay, so anak panah tu macam lawan dengan Zoro punya ni. Aku dah cakap dah. Ibu akan sebut nama Omen ni. Omen. So macam dia macam ada api hitam keluar dari tangan dia. Zoro. Okay, Zoro kena serang. Muka Zoro memang risau gila. Dan Hairudin serang daripada belakang. Imu buat lagi. Keluar daripada Deidara ke? Serangan Deidara ni. Gaya-gaya Deidara ni keluar dari tapak tangan ni. Kena meletup. Damn it. Hairudin terpelanting. Zoro terpelanting. Zoro kena one shot ke? What are these black flames? Wah, this is it. An omen. Quickly, Samus. There is no time to waste. Yes, great one. Aku suka panel yang ini. Panel yang ini aku suka. Nampak aura tu ada lah. Zoro, let's get in the building for now. Everybody, gather the injured and the kids who pass out. People of Elbaf, someone even more dangerous than the God's Knights has appeared on the island. Stay alert. Imu terbang baik. Imu terbang. Someone else is here, so it's not over yet. Keep your weapons ready. I have enough of all the fires and collapsing buildings. So Imu pergi dekat Gunko yang kena tahan. Pecah. Imu selamatkan Gunko. Gaban group near the lift. Ram of the sun. What's going on? I've never felt haki like this before. Not even on God Valley. Wow. Aku suka benda tu. Aku suka bila Gaban hypekan Imu. Ataupun dia bukan pasal level haki tu, dia macam different haki. Walrus School now is all burning. Quit whining. These beats eating frozen food. Stock up. Okay, dia tengah makan lagi. On energy. Yeah, seems so. Aku rasa macam tak adalah dia orang all out sangat kan. Sampai nak kena makan gila-gila ni. Hey, what's going on? But no idea. But this haki is terrifying. They are with the Knights of God. It's their target. Great one. An omen. Thank heavens. Hey, who the hell are you? Dah datang guys. Sanji, that person's dangerous. San who said you could free him. Sanji pakai kaki dia. Tak terpotong pula kaki Sanji tak? Sanji kena serang. Sanji lindung. Sanji planting. What is this black flames? Hey, what business do you have for now, Bob? Loki lah ni. 14 years ago, Harold was killed here. I've come to find the one responsibility. He was my servant. Like hell he was. Harold was my father, and more than that, he was the king of Elbaf. I am the one you're looking for. I see. If you had not been here, many tribulations could have been avoided. Where in the world I would be but Elbaf? Remember that there's some dumbass. Chapter habis. Sejujurnya, not that hype as I expected lah. Not that hype lah, but still a good chapter lah. Still a great chapter. Tapi disebabkan expectation aku terlalu tinggi, aku expect macam masterclass lah. Macam Imu datang-datang terus pam. Tapi Tapi aku suka certain scenes yang ada dalam chapter ni lah. Certain panel. Muka dia macam pelik lah. Muka Imu ni macam pelik lah. Muka dia macam pelik tu. Kalau kau tengok muka dia pelik tu. Overall design dia okey. Muka dia macam bukan lelaki, macam bukan perempuan. Apa hal dia punya apa hal polka dot tu? Dia punya badan ni dengan kaki-kaki pun macam ada sakit chickenpox. Okay, anyway. Itu sahaja guys. Alright. Jumpa dekat video akan datang. Assalamualaikum. Ciao.